The second book is Catch Up Maths, which is a book for Year 6 students that focuses on number and algebra and statistics and probability. The idea of this text is to fill in the gaps for students who maybe are lacking in those foundation basic skills so that they can consolidate them before building upon them. So you'll find all of the different number and algebra and stats and prob areas there. And as I mentioned, it is for those students that are struggling with their year level maths so that they can consolidate all of those skills. The most amazing thing about this book is that there are QR codes on each of the topic pages for students to scan so that they can watch an instructional video about the skill that they're learning. Then there are some examples where the skill is shown, and it's a little bit of collaborative learning. At the bottom of each page there is a self-assessment, which I also love, so students can self-assess their current understanding of the skill before then heading on to practice. So once they are feeling confident and comfortable with the skill that they're learning, on the back there are some practice questions so that they can put what they've learned into practice there to show their understanding, and of course answers at the back again. So make sure that you get your hands on these books, you won't regret it.